Alright guys, I'm at the Adelaide Full Drive and Adventure Show. The day before the gates open to see what they've got in stock for us this year. First off, check this out. Twin hull, twin motor, classic ski boat on a twin axle trailer. This is advertising done right by Pacific Marine. Absolutely love it. It's a must see. So good. Everyone's favourite Snowy River are there, showing off their SR18 caravan. Dario's Caravans were there with this bush lapper off-road camper trailer. And they were also there with their SR20, which is this massive, awesome looking van. Everyone's favourite Ironman are there. OzTough camper trailers were there with this mean looking thing. 230 are showcasing this double rooftop tent. Absolutely awesome, worth a look. Roof Rack World will be there with lots of goodies. And check this out, this is all fishing equipment from Tackle Busters. There is so much stock here, so much to choose from. You have to come down and check it out. 12 Volt Direct will be there. Pelican Marine and RV will be there showing off the latest Sea-Doo jet ski. There's all this and so much more. Make sure you come on down Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Royal Adelaide Showgrounds.
Thanks for watching, bye!